Good day, everyone. So today, my topic is all about the discrete mathematics for ITT predicates. But before I should start, I would like to introduce myself. I am April Joy Colentas from the BSIT 1C. So what is predicates? Predicates are functions that take one or more variables as an argument and return a truth value which is true or false. They present properties, relations, or conditions that can be applied to objects or entities. So for example, let p of x and x is greater than 3. What are the truth value of p of 4 and p of 2? So for our solution, the p of 4 is greater than 3, which is a true statement, and the p of 2 is greater than 3, which is a false statement. So here's one other examples of a predicate. A predicate can be understood as a relation in the sense that it describes a relationship between two objects. So here's an example. Predicate is taller than, and in the relation, this predicate represents between mm, two objects. If we have two individuals, let's call them Alice and Bob. The predicate as taller than can be used to express a relation between them. So, true, if Alice is taller than Bob, then the relation Alice is taller than Bob holds true. If false, if Bob is taller than Alice or if they are the same height, then the relation Alice is taller than Bob is false. So this formal representation shows how the predicate S taller than establishes a relation between the object Alice and Bob, and the truth value of the relation depends on whether the predicate holds true or those specific objects. Lastly is the predicates as properties. Let's think of predicates as properties that describe characteristics of an object. So our predicate as property is red. So we can use this property to describe objects in real world. So the truth value is a fire truck is red, which is true. And the false value is a banana is not even red. Um, Another example as predicates are as property is predicate is made of wood. So the application describe a um, a chair, a table, or a wooden house. Another is predicate as property also is a mammal. Application describes a dog, a cat, or a human. Lastly, predicates as a property is a prime number. So the application describes a mathematical property of certain numbers. So let me give you a key points about um, predicates as properties. They characterize or define specific attributes or objects. Then the truth values, the property is either true or false for a given object. The applications means that predicates as properties are used in object-oriented programming, database systems, and knowledge representation to define and categorize objects. So, lastly is the relation sa predicates sa IT world. So, Isa sa example nga magamit ang predicate sa IT is for example sa security and access control because predicates are used by security system rather to evaluate access rights and permissions to user or customs attempt to access a resources like for example sa Facebook account. So, 'di ba 'pag mag-login tag Facebook account need og security like atong password before ta maka-access or maka-open sa atong account. Mm. That's the example of the security and access control as predicates.